Hi everybody! I think I've got this working. Oh, maybe. Picture in picture. We'll see. My camera had a complete wobbly, so we'll see how we get on. Right, this is a new kit I've been working on. I was looking around for something. I really like trees, as you may have noticed. I've got a bit of an obsession with them at the moment. So I came up with a kit. It is trees predominantly, but it's a woodland kit. So Woodland Springtime, I think that's what I'm going to call it. So it's huge. There are 22 pages in total, I think. So if I go through them, there are 6 main picture pages. So we have number 1, and that's the second one, and then number 3. Can you tell there's a bit of a theme going on here? It's pretty green. Oh, okay, so we've got woodland, but this one's obviously with the river going through it. So lots going on. You've got some storks, there's a deer, badgers and foxes. And this guy, this little woodpecker. We've got one in the back garden now. If I just sort of hold him up. And he's a bit of fun at the moment. So, and this one's number 6. So same thing again. So got the woodpecker, a couple of foxes, there's a hedgehog, and not forgetting the little frog. I don't know how much you can see. There we go. Thought it was quite cute. And then we have backing pages. So I've got a plain lined one, which is that one there. And then I have a couple of florals. So there's a pink floral one, and then a yellow one, and then this one because I just really like the picture and I wanted to put it in the kit somewhere. So I've used it as a backing page, but I mean I've also got it as a watermark page, but this could be printed off as is and just as a standalone page. And then that was the lined paper, and then backing pages. This one linen, this one is, and there's like a frame of a tree around the outside, and then toned down a little bit because the main pages are very bright. So this sort of leaf pattern on that one, and this one's a bit more art deco, but same thing again. So we've got leaves and flowers on that one. Those are all sized at 11 by 8. Now I've got 3 pages here which are sized at 10 by 7. So when folded they'll be 5 across by 7. Just a bit of contrast in the pages. So we have March. There's a little poem, and then the rabbit. Hare. April. Another little poem with the harvest mouse, and May. So a little poem, well, a Shakespeare quote actually for May, with my favourite picture, a terrier, because that's what I like. I like Jack Russells. And then there's only 3 watermark kits in this, 3 watermark pages in this one. So we have a little dormouse, or harvest mouse actually, here. And then that one again that I showed as a backing page, but very faint and used as a watermark page. And then actually that strikes me more as moorland rather than mountain land. That I liked. And then we have a page of very large tags. So these are 6 by about, I think they're 3.5. Where's my ruler? Yeah, 6 deep by 3.5. That's those 3. A couple of envelopes, quite plain, apart from they've got three lines on the back of them, which and then 4 large cards. So 2 of these are taken from a gardening book and they are poems. So a garden in May in 2 different years. And then we have a book cover, nature and art, and another one, the field. That's it. You can see them all that way. Sorry about that. So yeah, quite a hefty kit. I think because these main pictures are, these I've actually done with pastels, so hence why you can see the marks of the actual pastel chalks on them. They are very high resolution, so I can only get 3 per zip file, so I think it's 5 zip files altogether for this one. I will be listing it on both Etsy and my website. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm halfway through making a book to show this one, so we'll be back with that. If I don't speak to you before, then you have a great Christmas and a brilliant New Year, and I will see you all later. Bye.